In the vast expanse of space, where silence reigns supreme and the wonders of the universe unfold perpetually, a beacon of human curiosity continues its lonely journey, defying time and distance. On October 24th, the folks at NASA breathe a collective sigh of relief as they re-establish contact with the Voyager 1 spacecraft, a remarkable emissary launched over 4 decades ago. This momentary lapse in communication was caused by the spacecraft's decision to switch off one of its 2 radio transmitters, leaving the mission team on Earth with a tantalizing mystery to solve. What triggered this autonomous action? The answer lies in the spacecraft's fault protection system, a sophisticated guardian designed to preserve its functionality amidst the harsh realities of space. If Voyager 1 ever encounters a situation that could jeopardize its mission, such as an overdrawn power supply, this system conserves energy by shutting down non-essential functions, ensuring the spacecraft keeps on its cosmic course. However, pinpointing the exact cause of this automated response is no small feat. It could take days, if not weeks, for the team to unravel. Situated at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Southern California, the flight team maintains a delicate line of communication with Voyager 1 through the agency's Deep Space Network. Every command sent to the spacecraft traverses the vast chasm of space, taking nearly 23 hours to cover the 15 billion miles separating Earth and the spacecraft. Similarly, the data Voyager 1 beams back takes another 23 hours to return home, offering the engineers insights into the spacecraft's condition and how it responds to their instructions. A recent command issued on October 16 aimed to activate one of the spacecraft's heaters, a seemingly routine task given Voyager 1's ample power reserves. Yet this command inadvertently triggered its fault protection system, a fact the team discovered when the Deep Space Network failed to detect Voyager 1's familiar signal on October 18th. Typically, Voyager 1 communicates using an X-band radio transmitter, a device named for its specific frequency. When the team hypothesized that the fault protection had reduced the data transmission rate, they realized this mode consumes less power. However, it also alters the X-band signal, making it harder for the Deep Space Network to detect. Nevertheless, the engineers located the signal later that day, and Voyager 1 appeared stable, though the team remained puzzled by the event. But just when they thought they had the situation under control, communication ceased entirely on October 19th. The team speculated that Voyager 1's fault protection system had been triggered twice more, leading to the deactivation of the X-band transmitter and the activation of a secondary radio transmitter known as the S-band. This transmitter, which requires less power, hadn't been used for communication with Earth since 1981, and its signal is considerably fainter than that of the X-band. The team was uncertain whether the S-band signal could even be detected from such a great distance. But the engineers at the Deep Space Network succeeded in finding it. Faced with this unexpected challenge, the team decided against the risky move of reactivating the X-band before understanding what had prompted the fault protection to engage. Instead, they sent a command on October 22nd to verify the functionality of the S-band transmitter, marking another step in the ongoing quest to restore Voyager 1 to its normal operations. This saga of interstellar troubleshooting serves as a poignant reminder of the resilience and ingenuity that have characterized the Voyager missions. Continue in next response. Voyager 1, along with its twin Voyager 2, stands as a testament to human ingenuity, having ventured farther than any other human-made object into the vast, uncharted territory of interstellar space. These spacecraft, launched in 1977, have been in flight for over 47 years, a staggering achievement that has allowed humanity to peer into the mysteries of our universe from a vantage point unlike any other. Yet with such age comes the inevitability of wear and tear, resulting in increasingly frequent and complex technical issues that challenge even the most experienced mission engineers. The tale of Voyager 1's recent communication hiccup is just one chapter in a long saga of triumphs and trials. This problem-solving saga embodies the spirit of exploration that has driven us to reach for the stars, even when the challenges seem insurmountable. As the spacecraft continues its journey through the cosmic ocean, it carries with it the ambitions and dreams of an entire planet, proving that age is but a number when fueled by the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The challenges faced by the Voyager mission are both daunting and inspiring, Each obstacle overcome is a testament to the perseverance and dedication of the team working tirelessly to ensure that Voyager 1 and 2 continue to send back invaluable data from the final frontier. These spacecraft have exceeded all expectations, and their ongoing mission serves as a beacon of hope for future explorations. NASA's commitment to maintaining contact with these distant travelers underscores the importance of their mission, which goes beyond mere scientific inquiry. It's a testament to our enduring curiosity and the desire to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of what is possible. Every bit of data received from Voyager 1 adds to our understanding of the universe, offering insights that were once beyond our reach. The data collected by these spacecraft continue to shape our understanding of the cosmos, providing a window into conditions and phenomena that are impossible to observe from Earth. As Voyager 1 traverses the dark expanse of space, it carries with it a golden record, a time capsule of Earth's diverse cultures and sounds, a message to any potential extraterrestrial life it might encounter. This poignant inclusion reminds us of the broader purpose behind these missions, to seek out knowledge and foster a sense of unity and shared destiny among all inhabitants of Earth. In a world often consumed by division and conflict, the story of Voyager 1 serves as a reminder of what can be achieved when humanity unites for a common cause. It embodies the pioneering spirit that has driven explorers throughout history, a spirit that continues to inspire us to look beyond the horizon and dream of what lies beyond. As we follow the journey of Voyager 1, we are invited to reflect on our place in the universe and the profound questions that still await answers. What mysteries lie in the vastness of space, waiting to be discovered? How will the knowledge we gain shape our future and our understanding of life itself? These questions, as vast as the universe itself, beckon us to remain curious and open-minded, to embrace the unknown with courage and determination. Continue in next response. The saga of Voyager 1, with its tales of triumph, challenges, and endless exploration, serves as a profound metaphor for the human journey. As it ventures further into the cosmos, it mirrors our own quest for understanding and meaning in a universe that is both vast and mysterious. The spacecraft's resilience in the face of adversity is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, inspiring us to tackle our own challenges with the same spirit of perseverance. As we continue to track Voyager 1's journey, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all things, the threads that bind us to each other and to the universe beyond. In an age where technology advances at an unprecedented pace, the Voyager missions stand as a reminder of the enduring value of curiosity and exploration. They challenge us to look beyond the immediate and the tangible, to consider the broader implications of our actions and our place in the cosmos. The data and discoveries made by Voyager 1 offer a glimpse into worlds and phenomena that stretch the limits of our imagination, urging us to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. As American men age 40 and older, we have a unique perspective shaped by decades of experience and change. The story of Voyager 1 resonates with us, echoing the journeys we've undertaken in our own lives, filled with unexpected challenges and moments of awe-inspiring discovery. It reminds us that age and distance are not barriers to achieving greatness or to contributing to the tapestry of human knowledge. As we reflect on the achievements of the Voyager missions, we are invited to consider our own legacies and the impact we wish to have on the world. What lessons can we learn from Voyager's journey that apply to our own lives? How can we continue to explore, discover, and grow, even as we navigate the complexities of modern life? These questions invite us to engage with the world around us, to remain curious and open to new ideas and experiences. In closing, the tale of Voyager 1 is more than just a story of a spacecraft. It is a narrative that speaks to the heart of what it means to be human. It is a call to action, urging us to embrace the spirit of exploration and to seek out the unknown with courage and determination. As we continue to follow Voyager 1's journey, let us be inspired to embark on our own adventures, to explore the vast possibilities that life offers, and to leave behind a legacy of knowledge and discovery for future generations. If this story of interstellar exploration and human ingenuity has captured your imagination, consider joining us on this journey by liking and subscribing. Together, we can continue to explore the wonders of the universe and uncover the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. What new frontiers will we explore next? And what discoveries await us in the uncharted territories of space and time? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the adventure is far from over.